Hi friends, welcome to Wisdom Online Max channel. Very good morning to all of you. Let us see the puzzle. Little bit hard one I given. Simple logic is observe the figures carefully, that's it. Let us go to the puzzle solution.
Solution of the puzzle is, if you observe the diagram, they given their first line, 3 tortoises are there. Sum of those 3 tortoises is equal to 75 they given. So each tortoise is equal to 75 by 3, that is equal to 25. You will get tortoise value 25. See the second line. Second line 2L plus 2 lines are there. You have to be observed carefully. 2 lines plus 1 snail plus 1 donkey is equal to 34 they given. We don't know any one of those values, so we can't simplify the second line now. Later we can simplify the second line. See the third line. In the third line they given that 1 tortoise plus donkey into donkey is equal to 34 they given. Tortoise plus donkey square is equal to 34. Tortoise value 25, substitute that 25. 25 plus donkey square is equal to 34. Then donkey square is equal to 34 minus 25. Then d is equal to square root of 34 minus 25 is equal to 9 you will get. That is equal to 3 you will get. So donkey value is equal to 3 you are going to be get. Next, if you observe the fourth line, tortoise minus snail is there. Tortoise minus snail is equal to 34 they given. If you observe the snail compared to the second line and the fourth line, the snail is in reverse direction. The head of the snail, one is watching this side. In this diagram, the snail is watching this side. So you have to be take the direction of the positive signs and negative signs. As the number line, it is the positive sign we will take. It is going to this side, negative signs you are taking. Like that, you have to be change the sign of this one. That means if you are taking 34 you want, means in place of tortoise already you got 25, no? In place of 25 minus s is equal to 34. To satisfy right hand side 34 we want, means in place of s I should take minus 9. Then only minus into minus plus 9. 25 plus 9 is equal to 35 you will get. That is equal to 25 minus 34 is equal to snail. That snail is in the direction it is watching. So if you are taking this side direction, means you have to be change the sign. 25 minus 9 is equal to snail is watching that side. So snail, therefore exactly snail value is equal to, in the remaining all the diagram, the snail is watching this side only. So the snail you should take plus 9. This is the main logic in this puzzle. That's it. Now snail value you got, donkey value you got. So substitute in the second line. You will get the line value. 2L plus snail value you should take plus 9. 9 plus donkey value is equal to 3. That is equal to 34. 2L plus 12 is equal to 34. Then 2L is equal to 34 minus 12. 2L is equal to 34 minus 12 is equal to 22. Then single line value is equal to 11 you will get. Okay. Now come to our puzzle. What we have to be find? We have to be find donkey plus line. Single line is there, not 2 lines. If you observe the head of that line, two pins, pink color one bands are there, only single band is there. If you see the first and second line, 2 bands are there in that for that line, but here only single line. So only one band is there. One line is to one snail. That snail is also actual direction, like positive direction. So that value you have to be find. Substitute the values what and all you know. Donkey value is equal to 3 plus line value is equal to single line value is equal to 11 is to snail value is equal to 9. So 3 plus 11 is to nothing but divided by only, no? So divided by 9. Now simplify this one. 27 plus 11 by 9. 38 by 9, that is equal to 4.222 like that, and it will come like that. So 4.2 exactly we are taking. It is not more than 5, no? So you should take only 4.2. Just rounding off, 4.2 is the value of answer for this puzzle. Thank you for watching. If you like these videos, please give one like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell icon for getting instant notifications. Thank you.
Today's puzzle is, if 12 is equal to 6, 17 is equal to 32, 22 is equal to 24, 24 is equal to 48, then 30 is equal to how much? Very easy puzzle given. Try to answer. If you like these videos, please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell icon for getting instant notifications. Thank you for watching. Your time starts now.
Minus 30 seconds. T minus 20 seconds. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.